it's Fernando, and today's video is gonna be on a restoration of the Road Rippers Top 10 Comeback Dodge Ram 1500. I got this today at Goodwill, and yeah, the only problem with this one is that here's the first thing that I noticed: the alarm button does not work at all, and there's a gear that's slipped, and the motor's pretty much jammed. So yeah. But otherwise, though, these buttons work, but it's gonna need some cleaning though. So here, I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. Well, anyways, let's just get to the restoration. So here we go. Okay, here it is, and oh my god, look at this. Just look. The inside of the Ram looks like my god, what the is that? Good lord. I'm surprised it actually survived just looking like this. Jeez. But yeah. Anyways, and of course there's a resistor for the speaker, but eventually I'm gonna take it off just so it sounds a lot better during the video. So yeah. Anyways, time to do some deep cleaning to the Ram 1500. So here we go. First test after cleaning the board. It's a good thing I got the alarm button to work, which by the way, the reason it wasn't working is because of all the that was in the board, or all that gooey stuff technically. But otherwise it works. But all I need to do really is replace the motor and fix that slip gear, so it should be good to go by then. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. So here we go. Well, it's been fixed and it has a brand new gearbox. Unfortunately, the motor was destroyed, so yeah, that could be revived. But luckily, it's got a new motor and pretty much a new gearbox and everything, and it runs really well. So, yep, off to the test. Let me just find it. Yeah, here we go. Let's go. And all that, the inside of the Ram is cleaned and 100% not restored, pretty much, except just the insides. The outside of it doesn't look the best, but the inside is pristine condition. So yeah, here we go. I'll let you guys know when I'm done. So here we go. Well, the Road Rippers Top 10 Comeback Dodge Ram 1500 is finally back together. The inside needed some cleaning, and yeah, needed a new gearbox. The motor was already destroyed, unfortunately, and yeah, also the buttons were cleaned out. The board was cleaned, and otherwise the Ram should be good for another 13 years though. Actually 14 years now. So because this one's from 2000, well, the toy itself is from 2007, so it should have another 14 years of playtime. So yeah, even though this is nowadays a collector item. So yeah, here you go. Also, I removed the resistor from the speaker, and I just yeah, just for better sound quality and stuff. So yeah, and also this one's already fixed, so that's good to know. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this restoration, and yeah, thank you for watching, and bye. On the process of cleaning. Oh my god. My god, that thing is possessed. I was cleaning the board and this thing just went flat out possessed. Oh my god. What the f is that? Oh my god, that really scared me. Right when I was just cleaning the board, the thing just went flat out possessed. Jeez. If you want to check out more of my content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to get the latest updated content and stuff from my YouTube channel. So, see you there.